guys, we got the package. The things is hose and piping. This is the prices. This water valve, PVC, and this is the things for put off your broken pipe. This is a stainless steel valve. Let's see inside. Okay, the packaging is safe enough, good condition. You will find the weak point of these packages. Yeah. Good. See, empty. Oh, has a multiple cover. Okay. Okay. Unboxing video. Wow, this is the plastic valve. This is the water pipe brick extractor, and this is the water valve. 305 is means aluminium stainless steel size class. You see side. Okay, it has a cover. Things. Look at that, it's very thick. Very thick. Stainless 305. Solid. Inside, yeah, it's pure, it is stainless. And you can see the matter. Okay. The good point is this is very big, very thick. You see this? It's very thick, you know. Possible. Okay. Try these things. This one. This is plastic material. Quite big enough. PVC material with the beautiful and strong hold like this. So open and close valve. Turkey on off. Okay, on off. This is how to shut that off. Oh, you can see the boiler inside. Oh, perfect. Okay, got slim. Made in Turkey, I think. And actually, wait, let me clean this first. This is the water pipe brick extractor. Water pipe brick extractor 4-point and 6-point double head. Okay, this is the things. Looks like this. This is for the sizing. This for the 1.9. Yeah, I almost forget. This has a size for a half and 3.4, a quarter half. Size of the valve. Okay. This is a half. This is three strips 4. water pipe extractor, plastic valve, stainless steel